Today, we will demonstrate how to adjust the tilt and impact sensors on the DAS. The DAS sensor comes with the sensor, a data wire connection, 2 self-tapping screws, and 2 zip ties. The sensor can be mounted with the supplied screws by mounting it to a flat surface under the dash. It may also be mounted to a wire bundle with the provided zip ties. The sensor is digital and can only be used with Firstech remote start and security systems. There are 2 dip switches. Switch 1 adjusts the tilt sensor. In the off position, it provides an alarm trigger on a 1.5 degree tilt. Default on provides an alarm trigger based on a 3 degree tilting of the vehicle. Switch 2 adjusts the accelerometer portion of the sensor. This part of the sensor is only used for manual transmission vehicles. It measures movement only during starter output or crank. On the off position, the sensor activates with a 3-inch movement. On default, the starter and ignition will deactivate immediately after sensing a 4-inch movement. To adjust the shock sensor sensitivity, first turn the ignition to the on or run position. Then hold buttons 1 and 2, lock and unlock, for 2.5 seconds. You will get 2 parking light flashes. To set the worn away zone 1, tap button 1. After you get 1 parking light flash, tap the vehicle. You will get siren chirps, 1 most sensitive through 10 least sensitive. This sets the impact sensitivity of worn away zone 1. Setting zone 1 will automatically set zone 2. To test the DAS sensor, arm the vehicle and wait 45 seconds. Test impact sensitivity. If you are using the DAS with the CM7000, the sensor is ready to test when the LED begins blinking. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on our solutions, visit Compustar.com.